Hey, what is up, my people? It is Ndubisi here, back at you with another video. Now, this video is gonna be super short. I'm not gonna make it very long because the idea I want to pass out in this particular video is one that you can simply take and make a lot of money for yourself. I don't really need much explanation here, and if you want to go into more detail, you can feel free to do it or contact me privately. But honestly, this is an idea that I've used and still using right now to make good money for myself low key. Now, what is this idea and how does it work? The idea is basically selling a particular kind of product online. And what are these products? These are digital software. Now, anybody who sells digital products online, ebooks, courses, and all that kind of stuff will tell you that in the world of selling digital products, right, the easiest thing to sell that is a digital product are actually software, right? If you learn how to sell software, you are going to make a lot of money. Software are like the physical equivalent of selling digital products. You know the way it is easy to sell physical products, right? That is the alternative when it comes to digital products. And it is very, very simple to see why. Because when you are selling software, you are selling something that people can actually get their hands on and make use of. Versus just selling a course, right? We are selling a course, you're selling a method, you're selling a step-by-step way to do whatever. And many people have been burnt by courses and they have issues buying courses. But when it comes to software it has a deliverable. When people are paying for software, they know that they are getting something in return, right? So with this software, I was able to make just one particular software. I was able to make over 1 million in like a few days just promoting it, right? So the site I'm going to tell you guys about is called AppSumo. AppSumo makes their money by getting amazing deals on software and selling it to people who love to buy software. And if there's one thing I've noticed on my over 3 years buying products from AppSumo is that people that buy one type of software, they don't just stop at one, right? They go ahead and they buy many other software. So if you find a software on AppSumo, you can make a lot of money from selling it. Now, I'm going to give you the ways to make money from selling software on AppSumo. Like I said, I'm not going to put a link in the description to get a training or whatever. No, I'm not going to do that. If you want to understand more than this, you have to reach out to me privately. But essentially, the first way to make money with AppSumo is by using the affiliate method, right? You sign up on AppSumo, you get your affiliate link, you sign up as an affiliate. It's very easy to do. And then you start promoting the products. That is like the common way that everybody wants to default for. But I'm telling you guys that is a harder way because many people don't want to go through that process, right? The easier way of making money with this method is by actually giving people the software, right? By buying the software. Now you're going to notice that AppSumo has a huge library of different software that does a lot of things. And the value proposition is very, very easy to see, right? If you have sense, you will make good money with AppSumo. Why? It's very, very easy because some of this software here, you can easily position it as a different kind of service or as a full-on service and have people paying you for it. For example, this listener software here is a software that you use to generate audio voiceovers, right? You simply write text. When you write in text, you can simply use it to generate voiceover. This can be very important, very useful to people that do videos and they don't want to appear in front of the camera. They want a voice to actually speak their words. They've written something down and they want a voice to do it. Or people that want to do podcasts, right? You can sell this as a service. Remember, I said this site is all about using your sense. If you use your brain on this site, you will make a lot of money. AppSumo has different type of software that you can simply pick and then just package it and sell to people. Now you might be asking yourself, okay, how do I go about this, right? The first thing you want to do is by making sure you have an audience, right? You can simply do what I'm doing here by actually doing a YouTube video talking about that particular software, or you can join Facebook groups. When you join Facebook groups, you go in there and you talk about the software, you talk about how the software works, what people can do with it, and how you can help them use it, and then offer to help people set it up. Don't tell them that they should go and just take the link and go and buy or choose whatever. No, tell them that you actually help them to set it up. If they pay you, right, you buy the software, you set it up for them, you help them do everything. This is an equivalent of the agency model, and there's different type of products that you can use here. Some of you already know, but AppSumo also has some amazing deal on software that on a normal day you'll be paying monthly for. Most of their deals, like 99% of the deals you get here, are lifetime access. You only pay once and you don't have to pay ever again. The deals are mad. The deals are amazing. So like I said, the video is not going to be long at all. I just want you guys to take this idea and run with it. You can literally make, listen, if you are serious with this idea, right, you can make over 10 million before the year is over. In the next 90 days, you can make over 10 million just using the idea on this website. I've given you the idea. I want you to run with it. Sit down, meditate on it, visit this website, spend at least one full day on it, browsing the site, understanding how it works, and you will make good money from this site. Don't say I didn't tell you anything. Alright guys, that is the video. Hope you got some level of value from it. Now I'm actually gonna start opening mentorship spots, right? I haven't done this ever. I've never taken on mentorship clients. You know, if you've reached out to me, I don't do mentorship at all, but I'm gonna start considering it for a few people who want me to work personally with them and guide them through step by step on how to make money online. Anybody getting into my mentorship will have access to not just all my courses, right? I'll give you all my courses that you can go through, but I'm also going to walk you step by step. We'll be communicating and I'll be teaching you how to go ahead and make money in the online business space. All right, so if you guys are interested, just keep watching out. Whenever I announce it, make sure to jump in, and I'm really going to help you guys in this industry. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Ndubisi as always, aka Make Money Online King, aka the King of Side Hustles, aka 9 Billy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Okay, peace out.